The skin barrier revolution! Why everyone's talking about ceramides in 2025? Let's face it, 2025 is not the year for 10-step routines anymore. The minimalist skincare wave that began in the early 2020s has now matured into something even smarter. Barrier-first beauty. It's no longer about simply looking good. It's about healing, protecting, and fortifying your skin from the inside out. At the heart of this skincare evolution is one powerful word: ceramides. What are ceramides, and why is everyone obsessed with them? Ceramides are lipids, fats, that naturally occur in your skin. Think of them as the glue that holds your skin cells together. Without enough ceramides, your skin becomes dry, irritated, and more prone to aging and environmental damage. With ceramides, your skin locks in moisture, defends itself better, and glows without the shine. This obsession with ceramides isn't a passing trend. Dermatologists have been championing them for decades. But what changed in 2025 is the explosion of targeted ceramide-based formulas. Smart moisturizers, lipid layer serums, and microbiome balancing tonics that do one thing exceptionally well: restore the skin barrier. And thanks to new bioengineered versions, they're now more potent, more skin identical, and more accessible than ever. But let's get specific. What does barrier care actually mean in practice? For one, you'll see a lot more one-step routines focused on barrier integrity. No more layering 7 actives that cancel each other out. Instead, 2025 beauty is about using one multifunctional product with barrier-safe ingredients like niacinamide, glycerin, and yes, ceramides. Brands like SkinFix, CeraVe, and new indie labels are turning science-backed simplicity into serious skin wins. Next, this movement goes deeper than just products. Skin cycling, the routine of alternating active ingredients and rest days, has been upgraded to barrier-first cycling. It's not just about when to use acids or retinoids anymore. It's about reading your skin's stress signals, tightness, redness, inflammation, and responding with products that rebuild, not just resurface. This intuitive, responsive skincare philosophy has made barrier building more personal and more empowering. On the marketing front, you'll also notice a radical change. In 2025, dewy is out and healthy skin is in. Fire posters on skincare TikToks and Reels no longer feature exaggerated shine or overly filtered faces. The new beauty aesthetic: smooth, even-toned, naturally matte skin that looks real, not retouched. And that's why ceramide-based skincare is dominating the visual language of beauty content. It's easy to illustrate before and after moisture maps, zoomed-in skin textures, and clean infographics of barrier layers. The cultural side of this trend is just as powerful. In 2025, the skin barrier is the symbol of self-protection. Beauty conversations now tie into mental wellness. The idea that we all have an emotional barrier to protect and our skin reflects that. This metaphor has created viral content under hashtags like barrier strong and skin safe space, tapping into a collective feeling of resilience in post-pandemic, stress-aware times. Ceramides are not just ingredients anymore. They're a form of self-care. Finally, this entire shift is changing who gets represented in skincare. Barrier-first beauty is inclusive by design. It's made for sensitive skin, eczema-prone skin, hormonal acne, and it doesn't glorify perfection. Instead of chasing flawlessness, 2025 beauty celebrates comfort, protection, and trust in yourself and your skin. So whether you're 17 or 70, the Ceramide Revolution is inviting you to do less, care more, and glow from the inside out.